Welcome to our quick guide on setting up shipping options in MooCommerce. Whether starting the new online store or updating your existing settings, follow these steps to ensure your shipping configurations meet your needs. First things first, log into your MooCommerce dashboard. Navigate to MooCommerce and select Settings. Then, click on the Shipping tab to start setting up your shipping zones. Shipping zones are areas where you offer specific shipping methods. To add a new zone, click on Shipping Zones, then Add Shipping Zone. Name your zone and select the applicable regions. Each zone can have multiple shipping methods. Click on your newly created zone and then Add Shipping Method. You can choose from flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. For flat rate, you can set a fixed cost or base it on the cart total. For free shipping, you might offer it for orders over a certain amount. Local pickup can simply be set with a name and instructions. After setting up your shipping methods, it's important to test them. Place an order as a customer would and ensure the correct options and charges are applied. Finally, adjust any necessary tax settings for shipping by going to Tax under the MooCommerce settings. And if your shipping needs are more complex, consider exploring additional plugins for advanced features. And that's it. You successfully set up shipping in MooCommerce. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.